everyone, welcome back to our Creative Edge YouTube channel. I am Surbhi, your design buddy and a proud NIFT alumni. Today we have an exciting topic to explore, color theory and its fascinating world of applications. From the color wheel to the science of how we perceive colors, we'll cover it all. Understanding color theory is important if you are a designer or want to pursue designing, photographer, or simply someone who likes to paint and make amazing artwork. In this video, you'll learn about the relationship of colors and how they interact with each other. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's start with the fundamentals of color theory. At its core, color theory is the art and science of using colors effectively. It's about understanding how colors work together and the emotion they evoke. One of the most essential tools in the color theory is the color wheel. This circular diagram helps us understand the relationship between the colors. We have three primary colors, red, blue and yellow, which are the building blocks of all the colors. When we mix these primaries, we get secondary colors, green, orange and purple. Similarly, when we mix secondary colors, we get tertiary colors. Coming to the two primary color wheel that we have, which are additive and subtractive color wheel. The additive color wheel is used in digital media and evokes mixing light. It consists of red, green and blue, which is RGB, as the primary colors. On the other hand, the subtractive color wheels is used in the traditional art and painting, and it consists of cyan, magenta, yellow and key, that is black, or CMYK. Now let's talk about how we perceive colors. Our eyes have specialized receptors called cones that detect different wavelengths of the light. The three types of cones are sensitive to short, medium and long wavelengths, correcting to the blue, green and red colors. Our brain interprets the signals from these cones to create the full spectrum of color we see. In the visuals, you can see how cone sensitive translates into the perception of colors. Intricate process that allows us to enjoy the rich and various world of colors. Color schemes and combination of color that works well together, they are essential in art, design and various applications. Here are some common color schemes you might encounter. Monochromatic, a single color in different shades and tones. Complementary colors, colors opposite to each other in the color wheel creating contrast. Analogous, colors next to each other on the color wheel creating harmony. Triadic, three evenly spaced color on the color wheel providing balance. Split complementary, a base color or two adjacent its complementary colors. Color theory finds application in the various fields. Let's look at the few examples. Art and design. Artists and designers use color theory to evoke emotions, create visual interest and establish a brand identity. Marketing. Businesses use color to influence consumer behavior and create strong branding. Interior design. Choosing colors for a room affects the mood and atmosphere. Fashion. Color plays a significant role in clothing, design and trends. Web design. Effective color choice can enhance users' experience and aesthetics. So there you have it. It's captivating world of color theory. From the color wheel to how we perceive colors, understanding these concepts can open up a world of possibilities in the various creative fields and everyday life. In the next video, we will talk about the emotions of human mind evokes when seeing a color and the color psychology. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of color theory. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to more exciting content. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative and engaging videos and be sure to leave your comment and question below. We love hearing from you. Until we meet next time, stay creative and keep chasing your dreams. Bye.